Hi everyone, this is Dr. Pasnoti Suman, consultant pediatrician. As we are in the middle of the rainy season and dengue cases have been increasing in many folds. So, here is a video on dengue fever in children. What is dengue fever? It's nothing but acute febrile disease caused by 4 closely related dengue viruses 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is transmitted to humans by Aedes mosquito. You can see in this image how mosquito helps in the transmission of this virus. One important thing about dengue virus is, if you are infected with one type of virus in the past, you get natural immunity against that virus type. But you can still be infected by any of the other 3 types. Before going into the details of this dengue fever, I would like to address few myths noticed among common people regarding this fever. Remember, dengue won't spread from one person to another. It only spreads through the bite of an infected mosquito. The next one is regarding the papaya leaf extract. This usage in increasing platelet count has no clear evidence still. Remember, platelet count will improve on its own once the virus goes from the body. Here is a review article of 9 studies conducted in India, Pakistan, Indonesia and Malaysia, finally concluding that current evidence is insufficient to comment on the role of papaya extract in dengue. Coming to kiwi fruit, the fruit is expensive and there is no scientific backing to this claim that there is a direct relation between kiwi fruit and platelet count. Here is a news article in Times of India showing how these false claims have raised the demand for kiwi fruit and how people are making business out of these claims. Now we'll see the signs and symptoms of the dengue fever. Symptoms are generally mild in younger children and those who have the disease for the first time. Older kids, adults and those who have had a previous infection may have moderate to severe symptoms. You can see the most common symptoms of dengue fever in children in this image. Dengue fever used to be called breakbone fever, which might give you an idea of severe bone and muscle pain it sometimes can cause. How long does dengue fever last? Symptoms can start anywhere from 4 days to 2 weeks after being bitten by an infected mosquito and typically last for 2 to 7 days. After the fever eases, the other symptoms can get worse and may cause complications. As the fever comes down, parents think their child has recovered completely and will neglect the further symptoms. Severe abdominal pain, persistent vomiting, rapid breathing, bleeding gums, fatigue or restlessness, and blood and vomit are the danger signs in dengue. If your child has any of these, please take your child immediately to the hospital. How is dengue fever diagnosed? Depending on the symptoms of your child, your doctor might advise few blood tests to confirm the diagnosis. Out of all the complications, parents are worried only about platelet count, which has nothing to do with the treatment until it is very low. How is dengue fever treated? Like most viral infections, there is no specific treatment for dengue. Only simple supportive care with fluids is enough in mild cases, and no antibiotics are needed to treat this viral infection. What you need to do at home is ensure they get a lot of rest, give them plenty of water. Paracetamol can help with fever and other pains. Avoid certain drugs such as aspirin and NSAIDs like ibuprofen, which can worsen platelet problems. Remember, the platelet count is the last to recover. Doctors are not at all concerned by the low platelet count, and platelet transfusions are not needed for just a low platelet count if there is no bleeding or shock. Are there any vaccines to prevent dengue? Yes, there is a vaccine named Dengvaxia, which is licensed and available in some countries for people aged 9 to 45 years. But presently it is not available in India. So, how do we reduce the dengue threat? Wear long sleeves and trousers and also use mosquito repellents on skin and clothing to prevent mosquitoes from biting. See, if there are no mosquitoes, there won't be any dengue. So, do your part by cleaning up mosquito breeding sites at least once a week. Remember, even a bottle cap can contain enough water for a mosquito to breed. Thanks for watching. If you have any further queries regarding dengue in children, please do ask in the comment section.